Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to remove domain from Wix. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open your Wix account and click on your profile and go to domain page. And once you on your domain page, here you will get your domain list. And now I'm going to removing this domain from my Wix account. So I'm clicking on this three dot next to the domain, and now I'm clicking on remove from Wix and remove domain. And here you can see the domain has been successfully removed from my Wix account. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.